Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 不 step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write 不 a step, much, situation. For example, 散步 to go for a walk. To go for a walk. I'd like to go for a walk. 我想出去散步。我想出去散步。我想出去走走，散步。想出去散步。I'd like to go for a walk. 我想出去散步。步 in cursive. 步 a step, march, situation. 散步 to go for a walk. I'd like to go for a walk. 我想出去散步。Please comment any words or sentence with the Chinese character 不. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.